Hello, cute childrens. I hope you will be fine. So today I'm gonna make a cat, cute cat. So please watch full video to have fun. Let's get started. First of all, I will draw nose between the paper. So now side by side to eyes I will draw. Okay, I will fill it later. So now what's more, we have to make a head. It is something wrong. I have to erase it. So enough here till here it's okay. So now it's more ears I have to draw. So I have to draw ears here and come down here. If something wrong you can raise it. And the other side as well we have to draw ear. Till here and go down. So the head is almost ready. So now I will have to draw face. So for face I will come here curve line like for face cut. I will come down till here. Okay, not complete. I tell you why. So then again this side as well we have to draw. So try it round, if not, no problem. So now we have to draw the back side. So for back I will draw here like this. Okay, first curve, and the second I will start here. Here you have to draw curve. So like this, two curves we have to draw, and the other side the same you have to draw, but from here you have to come here, this like in round side, and this side as well you have to start from here, like from here you have to draw first of all like this, the same, and now and actually like I have make it like this. So two side by side, here is something wrong, I can raise and again make it round. Okay, so now it's I have to draw the first, the two legs, front legs, its round shape. Nicely done. So we have to meet this point. Okay, and this side as well. Like this, round shape. And last we have to draw here, it's U, like this. So I will tell you why this. Okay, 1 2, these are the nails. 1 2. Okay, now I will draw a basket, like so first of all I will draw here. Okay, this cat. Okay, now I will, like here I have to draw like this. Okay, now I will draw a basket. Okay, so there is a basket, we have to draw like here, and this as well. Okay, and now what's more, you have to meet these 2 points. Okay, nicely done. So now last I have to draw basket here. The same distance you have to leave and come down, and you have to meet these 2 points. Okay, so it's a little bit wrong here, I do it correct, like so. Now I can meet these 2 points and from down. So now our cats is ready, so I have to make eyes. So I will make it color and I will fill it with marker, then I meet you. Okay, so Yupu children, our cute cat is ready. So I just colored 3. Here is pink, here is pink with blue lines and red and yellow, and here I used 2 color as well. So you just have to color it, you can fill it with color as you wish, but I didn't color, just I dotted it. So please watch full video to have fun always, and share your friends so that you can do drawing together and have fun. So please subscribe my channel as well. Take care until the next video. Bye bye.